Chat, what's good? What's poppin', everyone? How we doing? Welcome back to the streams. Good morning. What's good, everyone? Wait, can I switch this? Nice. Yo, welcome back. Oh, wait, can you hear me? Yeah, you can, right? Okay, cool. Welcome back, everyone. What's good? What's good, Louis, Malenko, Kata, what's good? TT, DTS here, Triz, Leonidas. What's good, Bill? Welcome back, chat. Good morning, JJ. Oh, can I scooch or what? Jesus. Chat, what did I say as well? I was exactly right on my prediction that we made the weekly low and the weekly was going to flip. Look at this. I was literally to the dot correct on that hypothesis. Can we say that? Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, look, chat, welcome back to the streams. Hope you guys had a good day yesterday. It was actually a banger day for me. Very good start to the week so far. We're 2-0 this week. Let's see if we can continue that streak. So, yeah, with that being said, chat, let me get into a breakdown real quick. Hopefully you guys are all good, though. Good, Ben. What's good, Cassidy? Yeah, it's going to be a great day. Obviously, today as well, just to tell you guys, we do have CPI news later in New York session. Not that plays an impact right now, but just so you are aware, later on we do have CPI. So be careful for that later. Nobby is crazy. But yeah, chat, in terms of the analysis, what did I say? Yesterday, I said swing buys from 60 would be not bad. And, or the day on Monday, sorry, I said that. And yeah, you would have been chilling with those right now. Unfortunately, I didn't get an entry or anything, but yeah, we were very, very clear that the low of the week has been made. And I believe that obviously we are correct on that right now. The daily as well has come down here and, you know, essentially grabbed liquidity in the form of a bottom wick. It's now decided to flip. So once that candle flipped, you should be good to see at least up until this area here, 26.89. 4 hour too. I mean, the 4 hour doesn't look the best. Previous 4 hours got no top wick. Current 4 hours got no bottom wicks, which really isn't ideal, but whether or not that actually plays an impact, I'm not too sure. Now on the 1 hour, we have an interesting sort of predicament here. We have a weird level at, where is this? 26.85. I think 26.85 is a decent level. Let me just check. A little bit higher actually. I'd say it's around here. 26.86.8. Yeah, if you close above there, yeah, you should be good. However, yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of that. I'm going to leave it down here actually, because I think this is the start of the range right here at 26.85. I think once you do close above there, you should be good to continue back up. Now, after that, obviously, you got 26.94. So 26.94 should be tapped afterwards. Let me just turn this music down as well. Yeah, 26.94 should be tapped after you close above. But in terms of sells here, sells are going to be very difficult for me, just purely for the fact that I'm extremely bullish today. I think we can come back down and test into this level here at 26.77. But to be honest, as you know, until you close below there properly, I'm not really looking for sells. But if you do get them, we'll probably hold them down till 26.61-ish. Maybe even a little bit higher up here towards like, yeah, 26.68. So that's the analysis. One sec, chat. Let me fix something. Alright, I'm back. Yes, so that's the analysis, chat. Very simple, and obviously we should be able to take advantage of some good buys here. I do want to see us come down and tap into the bottom of this range before we do anything else, and then that should be able to take us up to the top of this 26.86 level. Purely because close rail fall off again. Not quite. Not quite. I have new ones now, so we're good. Yeah, we should be able to come and test into this level down here, which will then give you the initial push up. But until that happens, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So, yeah, I mean, we'll wait and see. But yeah, chat, how was everyone's day yesterday? How did you do? How did you get on? Hopefully you had a good day. Me personally, we took one win. That was it. And yeah, is it good to take buys on the break of the high of the weekly? It's not bad, but you have to have relatively large stops, right? Which is a bit of a concern. You kind of want to be in a position before that happens. Price action right now is a little bit difficult, but I do think, like I said, we need to make another low here. We need to make a higher low to continue back up. If you're looking at the market structure here, obviously we have had a structure shift. We are now in, bullish market structure. But now I want to see, after we've made this higher high, I want to see us make the next low, which should be, again, around this area here. And that'll be the one that takes you up towards the top of the next levels like that. 30? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not the biggest fan of this right now, so I'd rather wait for some more structure, to be honest. Dan, what's good? Morning SG, lost 19 pips yesterday, but it was good risk management, so all good. Hey, good stuff, bro. Yeah, that's the most important thing. As long as you manage risk, appropriately, then you're good. Yeah, 30 minutes flipping here after grabbing some liquidity, which is not bad, but at the same point, I don't think I can take it. Chat, I had a spa day yesterday. For anyone who wants to know. But honestly, if anyone's never had like a proper massage, you have to get one. Honestly, it was actually one of the best things I've ever done. Like, I was so relaxed. Insane. 20 minutes, have to finish my leg day. Alright, Dan, see you in a bit, bro. Bro's already training legs. Better than the ones I give? That's crazy. That's insane. I'm speechless, to be honest. I'm absolutely speechless, which is not good because I'm on stream. Yeah, look, as well as this, we've got no top and bottom wicks on a lot of these candles, so it gets very difficult for us to trade here. I have to be careful with that, so I do want to see this retest before I'm able to grab any positions. It's almost like a mirror of this move, right? I want to see exactly like this. Retest back into the level. Obviously, I don't want to see this wick like this, but then you get the push up. Should be very easy. I can't believe I called this low. I literally called it to the T. Literally called that low perfectly. If only we took the position, right? But nah, no FOMO or anything. I think, chat, as well, it's going to be a good end to the week. We obviously have CPI today. In terms of the rest of the week, though, let me just show you. In terms of the rest of the week, so we have CPI today. Then tomorrow, you've got, retail sales and unemployment claims. So it should be some good volume as well. 1:30 news, and then you finish off on Friday with no news. So yeah, clean price action on Friday. We should be able to grab something decent just throughout the rest of the week, to be honest. I like the 1:30 news. I think having news at 1:30 gives you volume during London session. It also gives you volume during late NY as well, rather than the 3 o'clock news where you have to wait all day for it. So I'm definitely a big fan of that. Oh, chat, I slept for 10 hours last night. And I still feel tired. How's that even possible? I slept too much. I buys at 26.64 yesterday. Nice. Nice. Overslept? Nah. I mean, maybe. I know you can do that, but at the same time, I think I needed the sleep. Okay, chat, look, 15-minute closing here in a minute's time, so obviously yeah, stream just disconnected for a second. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, we should be back, but that was weird. It literally just disconnected for a second. Everything good now? Yeah, okay. I went to Pozar, a place near the Greece-Bulgaria border that has a thermal springs. It was amazing, bro. Yeah, I bet. I bet, man. Yeah, what's happening? Yeah, we're back again. We just disconnected again. What is going on? My Wi-Fi is completely fine. Servers are dead? What does that mean? It's good, Sammy. Good morning, bro. Yeah, chat, we're back again. It's weird. I don't know what's going on, but I can't really do anything about it. My connection's like 100%. It's like as good as it can be. I don't know, man. Okay, 15-minute closed. Wow, you actually closed bullish. Literally, yeah, look at this 1 minute. We must have flipped in the last 1 minute candle. That's insane. That is crazy. But there you are, chat. So, that's probably another indicator, to be honest, that we want to continue back up here. Doesn't mean I can take anything just yet, though. We have to wait, to be honest. Michael Prompet once. Yeah. You missed the T out the end of his name, but you're right. What's good at DT? How you doing, man? What's good? What's good? Wanna G, how you doing? Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm very, very good. How about you? We take a bearish onion to send us to 26.77. Are we good? You need like the Sky Dweller play, yeah, down to the bottom of the range, but I don't think we're gonna. I wouldn't take it personally. I just want to tap into the level first, but again, we might not do. We might just continue back up. This might be the low that it wanted to make. You know, for all we know, it could be. Just chilling, nice. Yeah, I think I'm going to be moving apartment very soon. I'm going to be moving to like a nice place somewhere. So once that happens as well, I'm going to get a whole office set up. Like, I'm definitely going to get like a 2 or 3 bed apartment so that I can have one room as just a full streaming office. It's going to be sick. I'm going to get a cool setup. Moving country? Yeah, most likely. Well, no, definitely, actually. I don't know why I said most likely. Taven question mark? You know the answer to that question. Chris, what's good, man? How you doing? Yes, 100% attack Taven. I'm not paying no 40% tax anymore. Habibi country? No, not Habibi country. Not Dubai, man. Don't know yet. It's not confirmed or anything. We're just looking, but an apartment with strong Wi-Fi, crazy. My Wi-Fi is 100%, like 100%. My Wi-Fi is strong right now, bro. If it's the dubs, not quite, not quite. What's good, Omar? How's it going, man? Yeah, Gold needs to make a decision here. It needs to figure out which way it wants to go, because right now this is not it. You have a hammer candle on the previous 5. That's not true, bro. My Wi-Fi was never wobbly. I know a trader that lives in Bali. The tax is low there, apparently. Yeah, the tax is low because they just don't enforce it. But yeah, I don't think I could live in Bali, to be fair. Like, this was my original shout, was Bali, right? And then I kind of thought culture shock and everything, the lack of like, not civilization, but the lack of, you know, urban areas and everything, I think would be an issue for me. Like, I like a big city, you know. I was in London yesterday, and it felt like amazing to be in London. You know, so much, I don't know, especially Mayfair and the surrounding areas. Seeing people leave work and everything, seeing, you know, the amount of money that's there, it really motivates me. If I was in somewhere like Bali, where like realistically I'd probably be one of the, top earners wherever I was, you know, just because most people in Bali are like backpackers, or, you know, maybe they're digital nomads, but they only need like $500 a month to live, so they can do whatever they want. Kind of want to, you know, a bit more motivation than that. I want to see other people doing well. I want to, you know, have to make a lot of money to afford stuff, and I don't know. That makes sense. Hit the 4 hour, please. I think we have to come down to make that bottom wick before being able to push through that. Not so clean range at the left. Yeah, I think so, bro, too. I agree. I think we need to come down and tap into 77 before doing anything else. That's my theory here. I would really like to see us come down in the sort of next 5-10 minutes, but in the next sort of period of time, come down and tap into 77. We'll look for buys off of this area here. But if we do close above 86, there's realistically nowhere else you should go other than up. So we could also technically look at the buys from there. But yeah, I do want to see 77 get tapped. I said that earlier. Yeah, no, I'm looking at Cyprus at the minute to go and live. I don't know if it's... Obviously, nothing's confirmed yet, but it looks good in terms of like places, affordability, all of that sort of thing. You can get a very good place for not too bad. I'll have to learn Greek though. I get Mark to teach me. Actually, scrap that. He's going to teach me all the bad words and nothing else. Yo, chat, listen, by the way, if you haven't already, make sure you drop a like on the stream. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, it really does mean a lot. We're getting some good momentum here towards the start of the year, which is huge. I'm very, very grateful for it, you know. So we're getting close to 6K subs as well. Any support, any engagement you do have really does help out. I'll teach you. Hey, let's go, Bill. Yeah, I forgot you were Greek, right? That'd be sick. I have to learn a few languages. Alright, look, we are struggling here though, chat. The reason why I haven't taken anything is, look, we've just been struggling for the past, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For the last 10 5-minute candles here, we've been struggling to push through this level here at 84. So that's exactly why I don't want to take anything right now. I would need us to either break through or to retrace quite a bit. Paphos in Cyprus is full of British. Yeah, but Paphos is more like holiday place, you know? I wouldn't be going to Paphos. That's like... I've been there. But that's more like, you know, holiday stuff. Where is your resistance level based off of? The one at 2686? It's based off of this to the left. Yeah. I just think once we close above there, we should be good to continue up. And this here as well. Like, obviously, we'll pretty much close above that anyway. And this. Obviously, like, I could have put it down here for it to be above this, into this range. But I think, again, with the stuff to the left, I want it to be above there. What's the spread now? Let me check for you. Let me open my broker. One sec. My spread's like 1 pip, 1.5 pips, I think. No, less than that. It's like 0.5 pips right now. I actually have decent spread for once, not for once, but for first time in a while. Okay, cool. Nice. I prefer a small town along the coast. Hate big cities. Yeah, I don't think that's a bad idea, bro, either, to be honest, but... Again, I want to network and stuff. I also found a really cool, or my girl found a really cool gym in one of the cities that I'm looking at. So that kind of is a big influence for me too. I'm not gonna lie. What's good, Bad Dog? Good morning, man. How do I check my spreads on the computer? You could just see it on the side where it's like the little tab here. Oh. But look, chat, 5 minutes here to the hourly close. It does look like you are going to close bullish. With that being said, right, as long as we can come down and grab some liquidity on the next open, should be good to get some positions upwards, most likely. I wouldn't mind taking a wick entry here. But again, I'd probably want to see a wick being made for the previous 1 hour at least. It gets a little bit difficult here, chat. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult. That being said, though, even though we have pushed up so far, chat, I don't think that... Firstly, I think we are going to push up for the rest of the day. Secondly, there's been no entries. None of these candles closed very well. Like, this one, no top wick. This one, no bottom wick. This one closed doji, and then this one has no bottom wick as well. So, really no entries, to be honest. So nothing that we missed by, not being on there early, which is good. Nice ranges, bad PA. Yeah, I think so. I agree. To be fair though, we might be actually respecting off of this level here. Yeah, we kind of actually are. You could technically do this. I don't think that would be a bad idea. Just look to the left. And then you could use these as your... Yeah, I think that's the play, actually. I think then we use these as the break-even levels. Yeah, that's what we're going to do, chat. We'll wait for a closure above there, but we'll use the previous level that we had as a break-even point. Had a small buy on the 30-minute this morning. Anywhere I can send shoutouts? Yeah, go to the Discord and send it into the trading section. It's in the trading floor section. Not random. What's good, Eugene? Good, what's good? Yeah, chat, 3 minutes here to the hourly, not bad. Let's see what happens. Cracky bottoms with a hoodie, crazy. Look at the 30-minute. Yeah, it looks interesting, but I can't take any positions off that. Literally niche. On a Minecraft age? Surely not, bro. Are you a big age? Surely not. Yeah, chat, now look. This gets difficult here. We tapped into the level. 1 hour is looking very, very tough here. But that being said, as long as you can pull back, yeah, we'll be good. Be patient though, chat. Remember, you don't want to be taking bullshit entries here. Like, the main thing that we can do is just wait for the clean entries, take them when they come, and they are going to be forming very, very shortly here. I think 9:30, 10ish, we should be good to go. Yesterday we got our position around 10, so we'll see. On our FVG filled. Looking at this, right? That's an FVG. Mad, I'm turning into an ICT trader now. Full-time ICT SG. You're gonna see me lying on a podcast soon. I'm joking. Classic ICT trader trait, that. Get on. Where's the OB? Right, I don't do OBs. I'm not looking at OBs. I'm not even looking at FVGs, to be honest. I don't want that. I don't want that to, you know, enter into my trading vocabulary. 37 seconds, chat. Sorry, to the 1 hour close. It's gonna be a very uninteresting 1 hour close, in my opinion. I don't think we're gonna do much here. Closing below the level 2. This 30 minutes pushed up like 5-6 pips after flipping. Like, what is that even about? I'm interested to see how we're going to react here. Are we going to try push through, or do we need more liquidity? I think most likely the first one. Second one, sorry. I think we need more liquidity here. I just don't know if we're going to try and just continue to trend. If gold does that, it can, you know, it can become very difficult to trade when it's just trending. Because, again, we need market structure to be able to trade, right? Like, we need market structure. It's very important. But if you just do something like this, right? There's no entry for us at all. Literally no entry. Whereas if we have something like this where we're making structure and continuing up with, you know, market structure, then we can wait to this retest, grab a position here, you know, entering on this low that's being made, and then, you know, catch the move up that way. But if, like we said, if it just trends up like this, then there's absolutely nothing you can do. You have to, you know, sit out and wait for structure to be made. Uh, 15 minutes ranging? Yeah, it is. It's just not nice. It's really not nice at all. What's good, F9? How you doing, bro? What's good, man? Yeah. I think we most likely are ranging. Live. What's good, Rays? Buys at 77? Buys at 77 would be really nice. That's what I'd be looking at today, to be honest. Especially if you can get like a... It's going to be difficult because it's going to take a while to pull back down there. But if you could get a nice little, you know, 1 hour closure towards the bottom of the range, no bottom wick or something, we in there straight away. Otherwise, we just need like a decent tap and rejection. 9:30 to 10 a.m. volume? Yeah, I agree. That's normally when the volume starts to push in here. Remember though, chat, look, we started the year off strong. Okay, we're 2-0 this week, and we're not going to take any positions, any unnecessary positions, right? Whatever forms will form. If we get a good setup, don't get me wrong, I'm going to be taking it aggressively. But until we get that setup, chat, there's actually nothing we can do. As a trader, you need to learn to just sit on your hands and just chill out. And that's what I'll do here. I don't know, go chill, have a coffee, smoke a cigarette. Whoa, no. Go and just have a coffee, do nothing else, and then chill. Wait for your setup. And then, yeah. I put the chart on the Share Your Profits channel. Okay, bro. Whoa, wait, I can't see your... Can't see, it's too small on my screen. I don't know why. Let me zoom it in. Quality is shafted. Yeah, this is tough. I can't read this. Close above resistance. Wait for support to form. Entry candle. Can't read that. Oh, because came up without a bottom wick first. Breaking the high. No entry yet. Entry was taken as candle came back to make a bottom wick. Nice. Stop loss below support. Account for spreads too. You don't need to account for spreads on sells, but yeah, that's great. 5 entry candle came. Wait, no, where's 5? Yeah, 6. TP1, the end of this clean range. That was to break even. TP1 8%, and then break even hit, right? Yeah, nice. Decent, man. Good position. I like it. And you got an analysis for all of it, so that's all that matters, right? If you can, I always say, if you can explain your trade like in that much detail, then most likely, you know, it was a good enough trade. If you can't explain your trade like that, then I don't know, you're cooked. That's why I always recommend journaling, chat, because journaling, if anything else, even if you don't read the stats on your journal, it helps you explain your trade. And if you can't journal your trade, most likely you entered through one of a few things, whether it's FOMO, emotions, greed, whatever it is. But if you can't journal your trade or give a detailed breakdown of why you took the trade, then at the end of the day, you probably took it for the wrong reasons. So put yourself in the habit of essentially journaling trades or analyzing your own trades or writing down the exact entry criteria of why you took the trade. And that's going to help you massively, to be honest. But yeah, good analysis, bro, and good trade. Alright, cool. Nice. Chat, 53 of you in here right now. I appreciate it. It's only 9 a.m, so that means a lot. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Let's try to get to like 40 likes already on the stream. Appreciate it a lot. If we tap the level 2685 and retrace and tap, it should be good to push. Yeah, I mean, look, I do want to see more liquidity being grabbed. We have sort of just pushed up here without really any structure on the higher time frames. Obviously, the lower time frame did make some structure, don't get me wrong, but for me, yeah, I can't really take anything just yet. Either need a closure above here or I need to, you know, a big tap into 77, somewhere like that. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm waiting for, to be honest. Yeah, do you often hit the gym before or after trading? I always hit the gym after trading, to be honest. Well, in between sessions most of the time. So most likely I'll trade like London and New York, and then I'll hit the gym, and then I'll get back for PM session. Never really before. I can't lie, I'm not really a morning person. Like, it's tough for me to even get up for streams sometimes. I'm like, nah, fuck this. I'm definitely a night owl, but yeah, a lot of the time will essentially hit the gym like mid-afternoon, especially because like everyone's at work then, so the gym's always empty, which is great. Like, that's one of the best things about trading, is that you have sort of time freedom, so I can go to the gym when everyone else is working, and it's a lot better, to be honest. Yeah, retesting the level though. What are we gonna do here? I think we're gonna react off of it, to be honest. We most likely reject it. Chico time is crazy. Yeah, previous 5 closed no top wick as well, or like hammer candle. Interesting. Oh. Yeah, at the minute I've been having the nicest breakfast, I swear to God. I've been making like scrambled eggs with cheese in it, like grated in the scrambled eggs, and then bacon, bro. It's so good. I'm actually super hungry right now. Super hungry. Oh yeah, we went to I went to this restaurant after the like spa day yesterday, and there's this restaurant in Soho that we go to quite a lot. I walk in, there's a Chinese guy that like runs the place or whatever. Guy shouts my name across the whole room. I don't know how he's remembered my name, but it was crazy. Literally, like, the whole restaurant was busy as fuck, and I opened the door and he just shouts like, Sam. Super loud, and everyone literally went like, it was so fucking crazy. I guess I'm a regular now at some London restaurant. He watches your streams? Yeah, maybe. Bro, that'd be funny. That would be hilarious, bro. I have been recognized in public before, bro. It's super weird, especially because like I'm not, obviously, you know, I'm still a very small influencer, but Have people shout my name and shit. Pushing up back above the level here. It does look like we just want to continue back up, which might be difficult. But again, we have made some structure, so I'm not against it. I just would have preferred that 77, to be honest. We'll see though. We'll see how we close and everything here. We've got a 5-minute close shortly. Does look like it's going to close above the level. 15-minute closure here in another 5 minutes. So we'll see what that does. But until then, yeah, there's not going to be anything for me off the 5-minute just yet. But chat, start to lock it in here because there's a lot of potential on this, this structure that's forming here. So we might be able to get some positions shortly. So stay focused, lock it in with us. Yeah, 5-minute did close above. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, we might have a day where we just trend, which is not going to be ideal, but it might be what gold wants to do. We did make some lows as well, so I mean, it's definitely interesting here. Like, I wouldn't say that it's impossible for us to push here. I just would have liked a bit of a pullback, but it looks as if we might not get that. Coming towards that weekly flip that I said we'd get. So, yeah, it's always a good feeling when your higher time frame analysis plays out too. I closed my swing at the exact perfect point. I'm not gonna lie, the sales I had on that evaluation account that I was just testing out, not really swing because I forgot about them, but I'm taking it. Not joking. What's good, Matt? Good morning, bro. How's it going? How's it going, Mr. Matt? Yeah, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I think we might be good for some positions here. Especially if we close above here right now, I don't see why we would then pull back towards 77. I thought we'd do it before we closed above. Now that we've made some lows here, we did tap into 80, which obviously is not all we wanted, but I mean, look, we'll see what happens. We'll see how we form. 15-minute is closing here in about 3 minutes time. Chat, I don't know when this podcast comes out, by the way. Someone asked me earlier, I forgot to answer it. I don't know when it's going to come out. I think it's going to be like around the 20th. Yeah, I think it's probably next Monday or somewhere around there. But, bro, I'm excited for it to come out. I think it's going to be really, really good. Again, I'm not hyping myself up or anything, but yeah, I think it should be sick. Okay, 2 minutes here, chat. 2 minutes to the close. Does anyone know what these are? I reckon JJ will. Bro, if you're Italian, these fucking things right here, actually the best. Little pocket coffee. I'm gonna eat one right now because I need some energy. They're like little espresso shots inside a chocolate. Bro, it's crazy. So it's like, literally, it's like got a full espresso shot inside this. It's fucking sick. It gives you so much energy, I think. Yeah, look at this though. We're rejecting the level as well. Yeah, interesting. So we're starting to push back down now. 15 looks like it might not want to close above. This might be where we get our little retracement, to be honest. Let's see, because again, doesn't look as if we want to just continue up off this level. Yeah, having some rejections here. It might just want to come test 84 again, or it might actually want to retrace the whole range, but we'll see. Again, on the higher time frame, sorry, we don't have that much structure. Again, when you have stuff like this, you have to keep in mind, you know, people use the term overextended or something like that, but I think, yeah, I think, to be honest, you could say overextended, right? We pushed a lot recently, like as in from London session / Asian, we pushed up like 150 pips without grabbing much liquidity. So I do think we need to see a pullback. The 15 close respecting the level as well. So again, yeah, nothing I can do here. We really need to see a pullback here before I can actually do much. This is where patience comes in as a trader, because again, this is a different situation. You're kind of certain that, you know, we can continue back up here, but also you understand that we need liquidity. So don't get caught in the trap of trying to take buys if we close above. I mean, don't get me wrong, buys if we close above are not a bad idea, but just be careful with them. Because even though you think that we have to push up, we do need some liquidity at some point. So let's see what we do. Liquidity is either going to come from tapping into 77 like we said, or you might even just tap into 81 again. Either way though, I think we need to do something. Wait for the 4-hour close. Yeah, 4-hour close is not a bad idea. But again, look at the 4-hour. No top wick, no bottom wick. It might be that, yeah, it might be that after the 4-hour close, we come back down and make a bottom wick for the previous 4-hour. Which wouldn't be a bad play. But yeah, we need to see what we do. 4-hour has range up till 90, I'd say. Potentially 97. That's a big swing though. Yeah, I'd be looking at 90 on the 4-hour first, maybe 92. But again, I want to see a pullback. I sound like a broken record here, but it's very important for me. We were talking in the group call yesterday. I actually ended up doing the group call in my car on the way back from London, like on the motorway. But we were talking in the group call. You have to understand, we've got a lot of things coming up shortly, you know? Like, we have 2 more trading days, and the next trading day, Trump gets into office on the 20th. So that is going to be a big catalyst for the market. I expect, realistically, a lot of volume to push into the market during that time. How's crypto doing? Crypto's doing okay. Look at the weekly though. The weekly on Bitcoin looks fucking nice. Like really, really nice. Solana too. I mean, it looks okay, but yeah, Bitcoin weekly looks great. Monthly, not bad. I think we had a shakeout here, to be honest. I think this daily closed below. Oh, it didn't actually close below, but the push below was a bit of a shakeout, grabbing liquidity for us to push up. As long as you can see, yeah, it should be good. But anyway, even in terms of gold, right? I think no matter what happens, realistically, it probably will push the gold price down. But no matter what happens, you are going to see a lot of volume enter the markets, which is great. We need that. Yeah, 4 pips slip, or do you mean spread? 4 pips is a lot. 15 minutes. Made a top wick here. Now it's making a bottom wick. You know what we could also do here? It's a bit aggressive, but we could look, if it forms, for a position to try and catch the sales back down to 77, which would be possible, but you got slipped in. Oh, that's tough, bro. One sec, chat. Oh wait, chat, I'm back. One sec. Just give me a second. Why would... Oh wait, camera's gone. Okay. Why would inauguration bring huge volume? Because I don't think the inauguration itself will. But I think obviously on the first day that Trump's in office, he's going to start making big policy decisions. Like, he's already stated he's going to make, you know, a lot of big changes. Oh, chat, we're pushing. And whether he does that or not, it's going to affect the market because people expect him to do it. So even if he does do it, it'll, you know, move the market because of the decisions. But if he doesn't do it as well, it'll move the markets because he's, you know, said he's going to do this, but then wouldn't. So people would have expected it, but it'd be different. The inauguration itself obviously won't, but you know, it's a changing government. It's an entire changing government. It's gonna bring volume. The banks will react to the decisions, like they have to. I mean, they'll already know it, but I think it's priced in. What's priced in though? You don't know what he's going to do. He might come into office on the first day and be like, yo, US dollar is no more. We're going all into Bitcoin. I'm joking. He's obviously not going to do that. But you know what I mean? Like, he could do some crazy shit that's unexpected. Navanethan, what's good, bro? I guess 5 big booms. Crazy. 5 big booms is insane. If Eminem has been playing Guess Who's Back when he takes over, ain't it? Wasn't Eminem pro Kamala though? Yeah, we're pushing up here. If the 30-minute does leave a top wick, you could have some entries here. You just have to be a little bit careful, but you are looking like you are pushing straight through this level. You do have a 4-hour close here in about 37 minutes, but the 30-minute close is only in 7 minutes here. So if you close somewhat like this, get a bottom wick first, we might be able to grab some positions to fill up towards like 26.87 and then inevitably up towards like 26.90. We'll see what happens, chat. We shall see. Wick entry might be nice as well. Let's see what we do, chat. Let's see. There's a lot of potential here. Start to lock it in a little bit. What do you think about the traders who make their strategy like an institutional trader, or do you still advise them to use simple concepts for trading? No trader in the Forex space, no influencer that you see is trading like the institutions are. No one who it says they're trading like the banks is trading like the banks. No one's trading institutional. The banks don't even understand. They don't even trade. You know, if you told them specific things like an FVG or whatever, they would have no clue what it is. You know, they trade numbers. They trade algorithmically. They are not looking at Silver Bullet or SMC or any of this stuff. So anyone who says that they're trading institutionally, they are not, I promise you. And yes, I recommend simple strategies, anything that works over time, to be honest. As long as it's got proven data, you know, it's fine. Even, you know, ICT and all these strategies that say they're trading institutionally, as long as they're profitable over time, it doesn't matter, right? But for me, I've always said, keep it simple, you know, and if it's simple and it works, then why would you make it more complicated, right? There's literally no point. I'll stop mentioning a Silver Bullet on stream, broski. Why? Yeah, no. No shot. Matt's got his mind in the gutter. I'll let you check that one out. No, bro, I know what you mean. I'm just not. I'm not trying to. Just playing on your play. Yeah. Wait 1 sec. I want to look at this. I want to look at this 5. Look at the rejection, chat. Look at the rejection. I've gone funded SG? No way, Jar. What's good, by the way, Jar? Sorry, I didn't say hi. What's good, man? What's good, Alpha? What are we waiting for today? I'm waiting for a closure on the 30-minute right now. Suskin, good morning as well. Why have you gone funded? If this 30 closes bearish, we can look to take some sales to come down towards that 77 level. I don't think that's a bad play. I know we are bullish for the day, right? But again, we said we need a liquidity grab, and I think we do massively. Jazz typing me out a mad paragraph on why he went funded. When you Spurs, it's crazy. Oh, Eugene, I watched Spurs get absolutely whacked about by a non-league team the other day. Literally just getting... Bro. Spurs... Honestly, Tottenham were getting whacked about by... What was their name again? Tamworth? Yeah, Tamworth. I watched that game, bro. That was a mad game. Honestly, Tamworth probably should have won it. They had a chance in the 95th minute as well to take the lead, and they did it. They fluffed it, but that was genuinely such an entertaining game. Yeah, and they didn't even play a dead team as well. Like Madison was playing, then they put Son on as well, bro. Buys and sells look good after the close. I know, yeah. We got 3 minutes here. 3 minutes chat to the closure. Lock it in. Obviously, if we close like this, there's nothing. But needed access to a large. Yeah, okay, that makes sense, bro. Big investment, eh? I like it. I like it. But Jar, there's a lot of fun in building a small account as well. I would say copy trade them. I would say copy trade them, bro, because there's a lot of fun in growing. Like, I don't know, obviously I'm not gonna guess numbers, but let's say you got like 10, 20k or whatever. Grow it up. It's so, I don't know. That's why I did a little challenge account. I think it's fun. Yeah, why didn't you look at I don't got time for fun. No, I know, but I mean, I mean, you can do both at the same time, right? So it's not, it's not. This guy, man, Sergeant Jar. Posted my sell on gold from yesterday too. All right, I'll take a look in a sec. I'm waiting for this closure. Yeah, no, I think I like to copy trade them. I think it's a good thing. But Jar, I was gonna say, why don't you look at private prop firms? If you've got a a track record, like a provable track record with the broker, which you do, then you can get you can go to an A-book prop firm. They'll place your trades live on the market, and you get a better payout percentage, and yeah, a lot of stuff, to be honest. Obviously, access to a lot more capital. Any recommendations? I'd have to look into it, bro. I actually have never looked into it myself. I just know they exist. I just know they exist, but you need like a very, I think it's like a couple of years. On 400k FTMO? Okay, that'll probably do it then. I'll probably do it. Yeah, okay. I know that like Burns Kopinski, the trader there, he was like looking at, I think he was on like 2 mil. 2 mil funded on one account, which was crazy. That 30-minute closing here in about 45 seconds. Start to lock it in here. Does look like we're going to close above. Especially after this 5-minute close, no bottom wick as well. I'm a little bit hesitant to take buys here. Purely just based off the fact that I think we need some liquidity. But with that being said, realistically, we should tap into 87 at least right now. I don't see why you wouldn't do that. The stops are what? 26? Even if you use the previous, it's 38, but I think 26 is not bad. Let's see, chat. How are we going to open here? No. No, no, no. Retested the level, right? So it might drive, but it's not enough for me. I want to see like 2684 get tapped. 84.5. And I don't like when it does this like little flip, reflip, flip, reflip. Where's your OTE? Yeah, that's true, bro. I'm looking at my OTE right now. Yeah, this is gone. Yeah, it's gonna be. Yeah, I don't like that at all. That's not a. It's not a good. It's not a good entry here, chat. To be honest, need some more liquidity being grabbed. I don't think this is the move up. You don't want to get caught in a position like this where you actually would probably end up being the liquidity rather than waiting for the liquidity grab. Why? I swear every day I sound more like the fucking an ICT trader. Like being the liquidity and shit. Not ideal. Alpha, what's good, man? I forgot, mate. You in a funded account or is it personal? Personal only, bro. Personal only. What's good there, Alpha? Welcome back. Noodle Holes, what's good, man? Leonidas, what's good? Welcome. Late to the party now. You're good. Don't worry. CT lines, no more trend lines. Yeah, trust me. Michael infected you. You're a man. I'm indeed. Need the antidote. Nah, bro. I'll never change the way I trade. It's just some of the sayings are actually quite good. I have to give it to them. Some of the sayings are actually alright. Yeah, listen, though, drop a like if you haven't already. 71 of you in here right now. Let's try to get to 50 likes on today's stream. Oh, soup. Yeah, bro, I've got no clue what that is. Whole gang's here, exactly. Yeah, 50 likes on today's stream, very easily attainable. So run it up. It really does help out. Again, we're getting some great momentum over here on the channel. I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit 6K subs by the end of the week. Yeah, I'm almost certain, right? What are we at right now? Let me just check. Yeah, bro, we're literally like 90 subs off, easy. The most loyal community? I think so, bro. It really is. I mean, we haven't had any scandals yet, so we'll see when the loyalty comes in there, but... No, I'm joking. There won't be any scandals. But yeah, look, we did flip back down right now. This is what I was saying. You don't want to be in a position like this. You don't want to be in a position where essentially you haven't grabbed enough liquidity. You'd be a little bit worried. You probably would have been break even on the high, but that was only like 5 pips, so nothing I can do there. Spread's a little bit high too. Had 10 months off and I'm back. Loyalty is finest. Yeah, I appreciate that, Jay. 10 months off for it. So wow. But yeah, good shit, man. I appreciate it. Brother, I'm now looking for building up a strategy, but some people use auction market theory, heat map liquidation, real-time data, high frequency data, delta. Bro, I do not know. I do not know what any of those things are. Obviously, I know what heat maps are. I don't know what any of the rest of it is. Bro. TRLS network event will be lit. There will be one very... yeah, certainly this year, 2025. I want to make... I don't know whether to make it like... I kind of want to make it like an exclusive one. So, obviously I wouldn't make you pay for it, but like a smaller one in a different country or something. And then do it also like a massive one as well. Like a... You know, basically just like a meetup somewhere that everyone can get to. So there'll be like two things, I reckon. I don't know. Oh, I need to change that command. Someone change that command and put the new course link rather than the free one. Actually, no, leave it. I'll have to change it to like free course or some shit. Because I do want people still to watch the free course. Yeah, it's good. Learn price action, easiest stuff you could have. Yeah, bro, trust me. Nathan, bro. Literally just learn price action. It's so simple. It is so simple. Like, I felt like I had, I don't know, whenever I speak to traders, I feel like we have a secret strategy that no one knows, because it's almost gone to the point where everyone is trying to overcomplicate it so much that now the simple stuff is neglected. So like, I'm sat there like, oh, do you not use like candle theory? They're like, no. Oh, do you not use, I don't know, basic market structure or breakouts, price action? They're like, oh, no, I use this. Like, okay, just trade market structure. Like, it's so simple. Wait for you know, price action to form a good setup. Right? Wait for a closure above, closure below. Wait for your range to be filled. Wait for a pullback. Wait for a lower high, higher low. Whatever you need to have to be, you know, your confluences. Once they're formed, take the position, and then watch the market structure as you're in the trade. Manage it accordingly. It's so simple. It literally could not get any simpler. Like, it'd be impossible to simplify trading even more. Do a reel/TikTok series of. You love to leave us on cliffhangers, eh? That's crazy, you know. This guy just said do a reel/TikTok series and then didn't say of what. Yeah, Eugene, I'll do one of those. I'll do a series of it. Ordering pizza, then take him in and teach him how to trade? That's crazy, bro. When I read the first half of that sentence, I was curious about where that was going. That did not seem like where I thought it was going right there. Journal? Yeah, what's good, Summit Capital? Yeah, you got the journal link right there. Where this guy said order a pizza and then take him inside. I was like, whoa. No. Definitely not. Cat, look at this though. We're struggling here, to be honest. We are struggling. Price is very difficult right now. It might have to be a 4-hour close. Realistically, we have 22 minutes here to the 4-hour close. Again, I'll be staying on until around 11 o'clock again, as always. So we've literally got like an hour and a half still to look for positions. So don't be scared, don't worry, just stick around, be patient though. Make sure you're locked in. I do think there's so much potential today. Like, there's a lot of opportunity for us to get positions. I said that yesterday and we got our position around 10:30. Very easy, very simple. And we'll do the same again, right? Once it forms, we'll take it. But at the minute, I don't really have much here. Need to wait. 4 hour and 1 hour looks clean if you close like this. I don't know, bro. I think it's a little bit difficult. The 4 hour is very tough. Brother, I'm now looking for a nice advice from you about how to handle my studies and trading. I get this question a lot, bro. How do you handle your studies and trading? I always think, and this is no disrespect, but I always think that it's the easiest thing in the world. Studying is not very hard, and it doesn't take much time, to be honest. It takes maybe a few hours a day. So the rest of your time, just fucking learn to trade. Like, a lot of people that tell me they can't manage them, they're either going out with their friends or they're playing Xbox or they're doing bullshit. Just, if you go to school, obviously you go to school from like 9 till 3 or whatever. Then obviously you do your homework when you get back, and then you've probably got like 4 or 5 hours left of the evening. So just lock in, learn how to trade during that time, and then once you know the strategy, you can put it into action either in Asian session or London session before school, or after school New York session, depending on what time zone you're in. very easy to do. You just have to manage your time well and be disciplined with your time as well. Because if you're not disciplined with your time, then, you know, you're fucked. Playing Xbox is good for trading? Shush, bro. Yeah, or swing trade on a higher time frame. You can do that too, but not everyone wants to do that. 4-hour closes with no top wick. I'll look for sales. Yeah, that's not a bad shout, but we are quite bullish, so just be careful because this 4-hour closed with no top wick too, and we just never came back. I don't like scalping. Yeah, it's just personal preference, bro. Some people don't like scalping. Some people don't like swing trading. I work full time and listen to streams in the background. As soon as I get home, I mark up levels sometimes and get a trade. 3 to 5 is a nice trading time. Yeah, it is, bro. And then even like 5 to 6 or 5 to 7 UK time. So like PM session New York is very clean as well. So like for anyone who works till like 5, you can trade the 6 o'clock close, the 7 o'clock close, even the 8 o'clock close if you wanted to. They're still nice and there's still volume during that time because that is still peak PM session in New York. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about that. Does your broker allow multiple accounts? Yeah, definitely. I have all my accounts split up into like lots of different accounts. Boom. Yeah, remote jobs are good. I used to get caught in essentially on TradingView in my little office. I had like a little cubicle, you know, like standard office cubicle, bro. And my boss would like peek around the corner sometimes to like ask me a question, and there'd just be like charts like this open, and she'd be like, "Oh, what's that?" And I'd be like, nothing. I was just looking at my investments or some shit." So tough. You just have to do what you have to do, right? I was willing to sacrifice that realistically for you know, wanting to become a trader. What broker do you use? I'm not promoting a broker at the minute, to be honest. I don't want to. I guess I use AvaTrade and another one. I have multiple brokers spread apart, but yeah, the main one would probably be Ava. I'm actually looking for an entirely new broker in general, so but Ava is good. Yeah, pushing here. Need a pullback if we're gonna get anything, chat. Really need a pullback. Like, we've had no liquidity today. There's been really no entries. Like, none of these were entries for me. Trading at work just doesn't work in the end because you're constantly feeling watched, or as if you're doing something illegal. Yeah, I didn't really care at that point, but yeah, I do agree. Like, you do feel like you're being watched, especially like I was working in a law firm, so you know it was all old like men and women. They had no clue. But again, the end goal obviously is to get out of that job as quick as possible. So you know, I just eventually was like, you know what, I'm too comfortable at work here. You know, I was literally like, I wasn't comfortable, but I could have seen myself staying in that job for a couple of years before I like actually grew the balls to quit. So one Monday morning, I just walked in and quit. Like, I literally just walked in one day and quit. And yeah, that was it. Literally the next day I was gone. Like they didn't make me do my notice period or anything. They were super nice, but literally just walked in and quit, and I never looked back, bro. That was the best decision I ever made in my life. Ever. How many percentage have you lost in the most in a single trade? Oh, bro. We're talking like back when I first started trading. Like, there's been trades where I lost like 40% in one go. Like, you know, when I was starting with a small account, I obviously had a bad psychology and everything. Mindset was poor, and you know, you obviously want to flip your small account as quick as possible, so you over risk and then you get eaten. Nice, Danny, good stuff. That's a W, bro. Congrats. That 15-minute just closed, no top wick. That's horrible. A really horrible closure. Again, this is the theme of today, right? This is the theme of today, but we need a pullback. We need a liquidity grab. Just need that. The weekly flip is coming very shortly. I feel like we'll probably reject off of the weekly flip, if not like around here. Otherwise, chat, if you continue to just drive upwards, there's nothing I can do. I'm not going to FOMO into a trend like this. Yeah, you're right, Dan. The 15 no top wick is good for a 4-hour top wick, but I need the 4-hour above 87, to be honest. I need everything to close above 87 if I'm going to get positions. If we could get like an hourly close above 87, or a 4-hour close, right, and then a tap back into like 26.85, we could look at a wick entry there. Only concern with the wick entry is obviously you can't use this. You can't use this really. So like stops get very difficult on the 4-hour. Obviously you can use 1-hour stops, but I don't know. We need to see some structure being made. Do you trail your stop loss or just put it to break even? That's a good question. So in terms of trailing your stop loss or putting it to break even, if you've closed partials, I don't think there's much point in trailing your stop loss, you know, below candles, because you've already taken your piece of the pie, right? At that point, you're most likely just gonna chop away at your position. So you can either do one or the other, in my opinion. So let's say, you know, you took 80% of your TP1, then you realistically just let the rest run, because you want to give that runner the highest chance of survivability. Otherwise, if you're not going to close anything at your break-even or your TP1 area, then obviously, yeah, trail below on the full stops, and that gives you still some profit. But yeah, I'd do one or the other, to be honest. Up for the day. Let's go, Rays. Good stuff. Congrats, man. Chat, listen, drop a like if you haven't already. We're getting very close to some positions here. We've got 10 minutes here to the closure. I do believe we're going to be able to grab something here off this hourly closure. So let's see what we can do here. There's a lot of opportunity, a lot of potential. So yeah, stay locked in with us, stay focused. And yeah, if you're new to the streams, you have to understand we're very patient traders, but we do often get our positions when we say we get them. So yeah, lock in, stay focused, and stick around. Got a small runner still from 2660. Crazy, bro. Hold that shit. I think that can run till like, especially if this weekly flips, bro. You're good till at least 2700, 2710. Stop loss of VE hit. Okay, bro. GG's. Made $5. W's. Think about it in percentage, right? Rather than we made 15. Ah, bro. No shoulda, coulda, wouldas. Yeah, no shoulda, coulda, woulda. Ever use C-Trader? Yeah, Omar, I have, bro. C-Trader's alright, man. It's good. I prefer MT5, but C-Trader is not bad. Not bad at all. A lot of people prefer C-Trader. You can do more things. Like, you can set partial TPs. You can... I can't remember what else you can do. You can do a lot there. Oh, it can calculate your risk for you, like, on the move. You can also get, like, bots in there, in C-Trader that, like, trail your stops automatically and shit, but I don't know. Did we take a trade? Not yet. We're waiting 10 minutes here till this closure. A lot of potential for some positions. Chat, we should be on 50 likes already, though. Listen, there's 75 of you in here, 80 of you in here, sorry. Make sure you go drop a like. Let's get us to 50 likes. Massively appreciate it. Again, it helps out more than you think. So, yeah, really do appreciate that. Oh, we already are. Nice. Let's get to 60 likes then. W's. Oh, no, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. Wait, what are we on right now? Oh yeah, chat. We can easily get to 50. Done my like, mate. I appreciate it, bro. What's good, Sophiso? What's good, man? Welcome. What do you think about IC markets? Yeah, I use IC markets. They're good. They're good. Although they did slip me like crazy last week, which is not good. What's good, Renter Rocks? How you doing, bro? Scooby Shoot, what's good? This guy's username alone is going to get me shadow banned. Yeah, 5-minute close bearish here. Does look like we do want to leave a top wick, sorry, on the 1 hour. But I do want to see us close above this 2687 area, to be honest. You do have like some rejections here to the left if you look. We have a rejection here and here. So I do want to see us close above there. Otherwise it might be a little bit difficult. W name? You can't say W name to yourself, bro. That's not allowed. Can I ask, your trading capital grown by live account or funded account? What's your opinion, Trent? You can do either, bro. You can grow your own live account up until you've got enough capital to trade sustainably. Or you can use a prop firm to grow your capital. Like, a lot of people that I know are using props just purely to grow their capital. If you do want to get a prop firm, by the way, ACG is my prop of choice. Code SG gets you 20% off. That's a little plug. But no, realistically, it doesn't matter how you grow your capital, and until you grow it, you know, that's the only thing that matters. So it could even be a job, right? It could even be a job. It doesn't matter. Just save up, grow your capital, or use a funded, or use a prop firm, or sorry, a live account. Either way, you know, the end goal is the same. So it doesn't matter how you get there. Almost made back yesterday's loss. Let's go, Danny. Good stuff. Try not to think about it like that, though. I always say, you know, never really try and think about making back a loss because it's a bit of a slippery slope. Yeah, it's a new day, exactly. 8 minutes here. Not a long time at all. So stay locked in. Stay focused. Let's see what we can grab here. I think there's a lot of opportunity. Do you have any experience with Trade Locker? Yeah, I've used Trade Locker. It's not bad as well. It's actually not bad. You can, if you want to chart on there, you can chart on there like TradingView as well. So yeah, it's definitely not bad. I think it's a little bit slower though. Again, I prefer MT5 to all other platforms, but Trade Locker's not bad as well. The one platform I wouldn't use is DX, just because I know there's some. If you have to, then use it. It's not a bad. Like, I know some props only have that for US clients, but actually, yeah, I wouldn't use a few of them. But MT5's just better. MT5 is just so smooth. Like, it's so simple. It's so easy. I don't know. I love using MT5. Oh, I did not know that was a command. All good for me. I think trading on live account gives you better psychology. It definitely does, bro. You have to remember, prop firms are legitimately designed for you to fail as a trader. Like, prop firms make the most money if you fail. So you have to understand, obviously your psychology is going to be better on a live account because props design specific rules, specific hidden rules, all the profit targets, all that sort of thing is designed so that you essentially are more likely to fail as a trader. So, you know, with that being said, I would say if you can be on a live account, make sure you do it. But if you need to use a prop, then just understand why, like, what you're getting into. Hope MT5 comes this year with an update for Mac so we don't have to use the MT5 app anymore. Yeah, that'd be nice, bro. I remember having it on my Mac. It was like, yeah, not ideal. But you could use it. I just can't remember what. Like, you had to crack it a little bit. There was like some little hack that you could use to I don't know, be able to use it on Mac. But let's see, chat. 5 minutes into the close. We are pulling back here, which is interesting. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't work very well. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, you're right. cool. I've got it on my back, but yeah, it doesn't run well. That's tough. To be fair, the phone MT5 is also very clean. Like, they've made it very well for, you know, to allow you to be on your phone and trading. It's so simple that they sort of, you know, enable you to do that. It's good. One I found is flawless. Ah, plug him then. I actually like as well. I kind of like the fact that MT5 is very. It's like Windows XP, right? Like, it looks old, but it's not distracting you from your trading. All you're focused on is like the charts. It's important. Oh. Okay, 5-minute close, weak bullish here. I think we probably just made a low here as well. Phone is too small for me. A tablet's more optimal. Yeah, tablet's not bad. I think see the best one would be a PC. Want to check the other chart I sent? Yeah, let me do it after this closure, bro. I want to stay locked in for a sec. I will do that, 100%. Yeah, 4 minutes chat. So 4 minutes is not a long time. We have a lot of opportunity here. I really want to see us close above this level with a top wick. That's the main thing that I'm really concerned about here. If you don't get that, it's going to be very difficult, to be honest. It's going to be a little bit tough. I mean, you probably still would be good to continue up. But, yeah. SG, where you get it from? Right, I'm going to regret asking this, but where do I get what from? GG? Yeah, trust me. Even tablet is too small for me. I prefer my 43-inch screen. That's crazy. That's massive. Pause. Maybe a 15 close that bottom wick? Yeah, that wouldn't be too bad. 43 inches is massive. Come on, don't make it gay. How's your Benz going? Must be enjoying it, bro. Yeah, I love it. It's so nice. It's so nice, man. You trade off a TV? That's crazy. Yo, Kata's got the sickest monitor though. I can't lie. Like, Kata actually has the sickest one. I need to get it too. I need literally like, it's like the one that's super wide, curved one. Bro, I need that. I'm gonna have to get it next. That's gonna be my next purchase, I think. How long is Kata's? Bro, pause. That's insane. You gotta say how wide for a monitor, surely. You think Trump as president will affect the Forex market? Yeah, 100%. Yo, Matt. I can't run. I can't run. Yeah, let's see what we do here, though. You've literally got 1 minute here to the 4-hour close. Does look like we're probably going to close below our level. I mean, look, we'll see. A lot can happen in 1 minute and 37 seconds. I've been told it's a very long time. I've been told 1 minute and 30 is a long time. Rejecting though. Bro, don't encourage this behavior. Oh, my bad. 30 minute looking to flip, chat. What's good, Geordie? How's it going, bro? Dream taking a turn here. I know, bro. It's took a little bit of a turn for the worse. Yeah, lock in 1 minute here. So, yeah, if we close below the level, sales don't look too bad, I can't lie. Sales to come down towards like 77. But my only concern is this is most likely just a top wick and a bottom wick actually being made for the 4-hour. This is literally just a liquidity grab in my opinion. It could be. Yeah, it looks like we're going to close above but bearish respecting almost. I don't know if I like that. Let's see. Yeah, 4 hour bottom wick, trust me. Testing 82. 82 is not a bad level for a wick entry. Again, though, the main concern is that you've got no stops here. Like, there's no wick for the stops, so you'd have to probably put it, yeah, below this structure or below this structure even, which is a lot, right? It's a big stops. But look, 2 seconds here. We're opening it up. Let's see what we do. Bro, if this goes top wick first, like I think it's gonna do, like I'm almost certain we fill the wick first. Okay. Okay. Come on, gold. Come on. Can we push down here, chat? We can tap into 82 without any top wick being made. I mean, we have a small one, but without like any further top wick being made, will be good for a position. But yeah, I need us to come down like quite far here. What's good, Joshua? Yeah, I'm feeling good, bro. I'm feeling good. It might even be 80, to be honest. We might tap back into this level. But this doesn't look too bad, chat. If we can just continue to push down here, that'd be nice. I don't know if we will, though. I think we might hold this 85 level, too. Again, I can't predict any of this, so let's just wait and see it. Wait and see. If it runs from here, chat, I'm not done for the session, but we'll have to wait for another closure at least. I just really want a clean liquidity grab. Because even if we don't catch it on the liquidity grab, we can catch it on the re-break, and then your stops can be below that liquidity grab, which means you have a lot better of an opportunity to grab some positions. And a lot nicer stops too, which is great. Better risk to reward, etc. Volume coming in though right now, chat, which is great. We had low volume for a while, but I'm starting to see the volume pick up. Candles are moving quicker. 1 minute's like popping up and down, which is good, chat. It's exactly what we need. We need the volume to drive us down. Discipline, yeah, Ben's exactly right. Chat, 90 people in here right now. Appreciate it very much. For the people who are new, make sure you drop a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are doing this every single day. Got a crazy win rate so far. We've been literally printing cash the past, I don't know, 6 months. So yeah, if you've been here for a while, you'll know the drill. But if you're new, you found the right community, subscribe, all that good shit. But yeah, chat, look. We are pushing down here. Rebroke the lows, which is good. Chaz, what's good, bro? Yeah, of course I remember you. Okay, chat. Nice. What stops from here? 45. That's not too bad. I'm new to this channel and I'd like to know what strategy you use and your trading style. Also, TMF, what market you use. What's TMF? Time frame? Bro, we trade price action, breakouts, support and resistance, and we're pretty much scalp traders. At some point, we're going to do a bottom wick for the previous 4 hour. Yeah, I think so, but I mean, the weekly flip, by the way? No, it didn't. It came close. You gave me a funded account and a giveaway, and since then, everything is going as planned. I've started to do 6% of my personal 200k account. Thanks. Hey, let's go, Shaz. Good stuff. Let's go, man. Wagwan from Utah. What's good, Braden? No way, bro. Utah. What the fuck's going on in Utah? But yeah, welcome to the streams, G. It's pretty late for you, no? Trade Forex? Yeah, Forex. I mean, the strategy works with futures or Forex, right? Like, it doesn't make a difference. That Forex or futures is just the execution platform. You can trade the exact same. Want me from Hanoi? Bro, FNAM, you gotta send some pictures of how Vietnam is right now. I'm glad you're enjoying your time though, G. Maybe a 5-no bottom wick, that'd be nice, but it needs to be lower down. Like, it needs to be, I need to see a liquidity grab. Like, can't take this. Just cannot take this. Yeah, it must be hot there, no? Super humid too. Yeah, so 5-minute closing here in about 40 seconds. You are rejecting off the level, which is interesting. I do think we still have room to come further down. And to be honest, let me see. I mean, you could take the break of the highs with like 15 pip stops if you wanted to risk it, but 3 a.m. I need to catch some Z's before New York, but you popped up, so I had to come through and say what's good. Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. That means a lot. Good shit. Good session so far. Yeah, I mean, look, we're just driving without any liquidity, so I can't take any positions, but can't complain, man. We'll stay disciplined as always. Not much else we can do, to be honest. Yeah, look at this. I know, cold now, around 10 to 15 degrees. That's not cold. 5-minute close bullish here with a top wick as well. Look, Sky Dweller play on the 5-minute chat. Can't take it. Can't take it. I think we might run here though. I think this might be one of those days where you just don't need liquidity. But it doesn't mean I'm changing my changing anything. Bro, your Discord members chat is weird. Why? What do you mean, man? Any Solana plays lately? Bro, nothing. Everything's so dead. Like, all crypto is just dying off. Especially right now. I can't do shit here, to be honest. In terms of crypto. 1 minute no bottom wick at the level? Nah. Yo. Yeah, chat, we might be gone here. It's just messing around, though. It's very difficult for us to get a position right now. You trade crypto on Neo? Nah, I don't really trade crypto. But, like, if I did, it would be on something like Photon or something like that. If I wanted to trade, like, small caps. I think wait for Trump to enter the White House on 20th. Yeah, I think so, too, for crypto. I agree. On Bullx, oh, Neo Bullx, nah, I don't. I've never used it, to be fair. Yeah, I still think we continue back down here. That's why I'm not taking any positions just yet. Yeah, I don't like it. The 5's exactly this, chat. Exactly what I was about to say. The 5's difficult here. I really do want to see like a higher time frame retrace. Your members act too serious and criticize beginners. Why is that? Bro, you must be in the wrong Discord. They do the opposite of that shit. They do the opposite of that. You're definitely in the wrong Discord, bro. I can't lie. Because my Discord is, I'm very, very proud to say that we're very, very tolerant on everyone. No one's hating anyone or anything like that. Bro's on the ICT Discord. Yo, look, this shows exactly how true that is because everyone has immediately gone like, wait, what the fuck do you mean? Wrong Discord. Yeah, trust me. TRLS Discord's on another level. Yeah, chat. By the way, if you guys aren't already in it, we have a free Discord. As you can see, everyone who's in there right now just came and said how non-toxic it is. If you are a beginner, if you're a pro, if you're profitable, if you're non-profitable, everyone's welcome. Any questions are welcome. There's no such thing as a stupid question. So yeah, good shit. Jump in there if you do want to. It's completely free. The link's not sent. Oh, there it is. I think I call it a London session. Thanks for today. Yeah, no worries, bro. That's not a bad idea, but I'm going to stick around till at least the next closure. Your Discord has 340 members. Is that yours? No, my Discord has 7,100 members. Yeah, we have a little bit more. Discord.gg/TRLS is the link. Someone sent you a fake Discord or what? What Discord are you in? I'm interested. Yeah, we have a little bit more than 300 members. Well, that was a stand your ground and fight moment. I'm here for it. Bro, I just can't let that swing because obviously this guy's in the wrong Discord and... You know what? I haven't joined your Discord so far. Ricky, why not, bro? Why not? Come share your trades and everything. It's such a vibe in there, to be honest. I love the Discord. I actually spend a lot of my time just reading the Discord because I don't interact too much because I want you guys to have a great, community that you guys can all feel comfortable in. But, bro, it's such a good place. Future streams make people send their charts in Discord and review them on stream. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I need to review. Who was it that sent this? Wait. Oh yeah, only focus, right? You sent your chart in as well. Okay, cool. You took sales yesterday. Trade idea, we're bullish on the daily, no bottom wick yet. Anticipating price to move down to flip bearish and make that bottom wick on the daily, waiting for confirmation. Bullish 30-minute candle moves to the top of the range and closed below resistance. Next 30-minute candle broke the high and tapped the resistance and flipped bearish, giving us a possible sell setup. 5-minute candle confirms our bias, entry was taken. Stop loss above current candle high. CP1 closed 80%, stop loss to break even, closed 10%, closed 10%, closed full. Yeah, bro. You know this is a this is a banger trade. I have no criticism. That's a perfect trade. You have the mirror to the left, the exact same mirror of the exact same move. I probably would have closed full here, but I mean, you not got lucky, but it worked out that you didn't. Yeah, bro. Like, there's literally nothing to complain about there. That's a W trade. Good analysis as well. Nothing bad to say about that. Yeah, chat. If you do want me to review your charts, send them into either Trading Floor or post your profits. It doesn't have to be a win as well. It can be a loss. You know, if you want to see what you did wrong or anything, that's probably more beneficial than sending me your wins. So yeah, send that in and I'll review your chart. I'm old school for Discord. You're good, bro. Don't worry. Check Trading Floor real quick. It's the Rays to send one in. Your one or what? This one. Nice little break and retest. What's your entry up of though? This is on the bro. The 5 minutes choppy. You entered off this candle or what? First bullish closure. 5 wick. Yeah. Bro, previous 5 had no top wick though. Does that not matter for US 30? Fair enough if it doesn't. Asking because I don't trade it, so yeah, nice though, good shit. Kata, you caught one? Oh, sample size, nice. W's. Yeah, look at this though, we're rejecting here quite heavily. 15-minute closing in roughly 2 minutes time. That being said, look at the 5 minute as well. 5 minute just flipped bearish. Yeah, we got a lot more room to come down. I think we're gonna grab some liquidity here, which is good. Is there any other business you do apart from trading? Yeah, I own 10% of Tesla. I went into a new business recently with this guy. Basically, he wanted to start like a delivery system. They wanted to deliver products like super quick. So I kind of went into a partnership with him. He needed some money from me. So his name's Jeff Bezos. It's called Amazon. I don't know if you guys would have heard of it, but it's Amazon. But yeah, Jeff Bezos rang me up. He needed some, investment funds. So I sort of gave him 50% of that. And yeah, that's a small one. Other than that, though, not really any other business. Stupid chat, but we'll go for it. I'll stand by it. It's Amazon. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Max. Burger is not crazy. Rolls Royce. This guy, man. Yeah, Racist is exactly right. Yap session, bro, 100%. Pink Royce, you know, I think Rolls Royce defeats the purpose of Rolls Royce, but yeah. What business are you into though? I have a lot, to be honest, but I'm sort of scaling back. I realized I kind of had fingers in too many pies. So I think it's important to focus on like one or the other. Obviously, my main focus is trading, and I also have like a whole content business. Lots of stuff, to be honest. Marketing, and just yeah. I'm trying to get into property as well very shortly. I used to be into property, but at the minute, I also realized as well, like online businesses in terms of the gym, you still planning that? I am still planning it, bro, but I put it on pause because I realized, and this is what I was about to say, like in-person businesses are not as profitable, as in there's not as good of a return on investment as digital businesses right now. There's just no reason for me to start an in-person business yet. I will do when I'm sort of, you know, I've used my capital to scale it a little bit more, and then those in-person businesses is what keeps your capital, you know, like maintains it. But for right now, like, it makes the return on investment on me spending, you know, 50k on trading, like into my trading account or on content or anything, is going to be way higher than it is to be, you know, on gym or some shit. It makes a lot more sense to me. I had to sort of think to myself about that one, and it was like a tough decision because I really did want to do the gym, and I still will do it eventually, but right now it gets very difficult. Chat, 15-minute opened up here. Look, I'm going to stay on for the next 45 minutes, but the 15-minute did open up here. Bullish, top wick first. 30-minute looking like it might flip. Chat, price action is not the one today. If this 15 can flip though, and you can start to close below, that might be when we can get our liquidity grab, but until then, I can't really do much here until we do have a liquidity grab. It's very important. And obviously, there's no buys on a rebreak of the high here because the 15-minute still has no bottom wick. This could flip at any given time. You know, it could flip right now if it wanted to. We are technically respecting 26.85, right? Quite heavily, but not the one for me. You do have a wick fill too. I'm a pip whisperer. Crazy. Crazy. How much percentage are you able to make every day? I'd like to hear. I make like 400% on my account every day. It's crazy. Sustainably too. No, I'm joking. It depends, bro. Like, obviously, there's no percent target. There's no profit target. Whatever the trade does, right? I think yesterday's trade was probably like a 1% or a 2%er. Like, it's nothing major. Yesterday's trade was actually, you know, like a... I think it was like a 1... No, it was a 0.5 to 1, so... It was nothing major. I think I made, yeah, 1 or 2%. But then I had a 1 to 1 the other day and I made like 6%, so it just depends. And I had 2 to 1 and I made 10% like a couple of months ago. It just really does depend on like what position you get, where you close, where you enter, all that sort of stuff. I don't have any profit targets. I really don't believe in 1.9%. Okay, cool. That's good. That's actually good that it tells you that yesterday. Oh yeah. 1.92%. Okay. Nice. Nice. But that's not right. The dollar number there is not correct. I don't know, maybe we'll see. Kind of leaks a bit. No, not really, because that's the this is coming from the 20k challenge account, so I'm very open with that. I think it was it 464 pounds yesterday on yesterday's trade? Yeah, it's in the account's in pounds though. The account's always been in pounds. No, it was more than that though. I don't know why it says that. It was a little bit more. It wasn't majorly more, but it was more than that. Yeah, fine. Doesn't matter. Regardless of the money, like, this is what I'm trying to say as well. The monetary value doesn't matter. Like, I could be making 10k on that trade, or I can be making $10. The percentage-wise and pips-wise is all that matters, genuinely. Like, again, obviously I know everyone wants to see money, but the people who are so focused on the dollar value or the pound value, those are the ones who most likely fail in trading. Yeah, like when you switch your mindset from percentages, from dollars to percentages, it genuinely changes your trading, because you go from a mindset of like scarcity, as in like I need dollars, to you go from an abundance mindset, because fucking 5% or 2% or whatever it is a good, you know, it's a good profit. Like even 1% a day, 0.5% a day is crazy. Like if we go to a compound interest calculator, if you did, let me just see. You did 0.5% a day. Obviously, this is going to be a bit inaccurate because there's not 365 trading days a year. But let's say, you know, you have like, yeah, let's say, you know, even like $1,000, right? You do, let's do 0.5% a day. And it's compounding daily. How do I, yo, in adverts, you know, 0.5 daily dollar 1,000. How many percentage do you get in a year? You look like, okay, that's crazy, but let's say you do it for a year. You know, you're still getting 517% throughout the year, which is a ridiculous return. Like, that's an insane return. And no one's realistically is going to achieve that. So, like, people that aim for 5% a day, 10% a day, whatever it is, you're never going to get it. You know, the compound effect is so real. And this does have weekends and shit involved, so it's not, like, strictly accurate, but, you know, fucking, look at the compound is so real. Using a live account with compound effect, with small gains, not trying to get big fucking crazy profits or anything like that, but small gains consistently over time, it compounds your account like this. Look, if you start with $1,000 at 0.5% a day, you know, you've got a 500% return by the end of the year. Your $1,000 turns into $6,000 just purely by 0.5% a day. And again, even 0.5% a day sustainably is very difficult to achieve. So you have to humble your mindset as a trader. You have to not think that you're going to get, you know, 100% a day, 200% a day, 10% a day, whatever it is. Just take what you get. You know, small, steady, consistent percentages is the way to do it. Can we clip that? No. What's the time frame on that? 218. Nice. Live market is way too hard in simulation. Why is that? Because it's your psychology, bro. Your psychology. Like, if you think about it, the live market compared to a demo market is no different. The market still moves the same. The candles aren't any different, but the market moves exactly the same. But now that you put capital into it, suddenly you think that the live market's harder. And it's not because your stops are being hunted. It's not because the broker's manipulating you. It's because your psychology is fucked. Your psychology is terrible when it comes to a live account, because now you've got money behind your trades. You're most likely over risking. You're most likely, you know, putting capital into your brokerage that you can't afford to lose. And that's why you think live trading is so hard. You're putting yourself in a poor psychological situation, which means that you're not going to be able to trade with, you know, the clarity of mind that you did with the demo account. You know, when you're trading demo, you've got confidence, you've got essentially, you know, nothing to risk. So your decisions are made through purely logical decisions. And the moment you put money behind it, your emotions get involved, fear gets involved, greed gets involved, all that shit. It's just not worth it. Like, it's just not, you know, it's not the same, I mean. I'm clip farming the fuck out of all of you guys. Okay. Just took 0.5 out of S&P. Happy days. Good shit, Paulie. W. Yeah, it's starting to pull back a little bit, but it's still not enough, really. Like, the 30-minute... We're just ranging here on the 5. You're starting to form a range. I don't want to be in a position during this, to be honest. Not ideal to be in a position right now. Also, trading real money, you will take profits quicker, scared of a reversal, and let losses run to stop loss more often, hoping to turn back. Yeah, exactly. Again, that's a psychology thing there. 100%. Go to the, yeah, bro. 4% interest a year at the bank, like, bro. Imagine that. Like, if you put your money in the bank, you're gonna get 4% at the end of the year. Like this guy Rays, his chats are awesome. Rays, you got a fan, big man. Rays, his chats are awesome though. Have to give it to him. He's not even here as well. Definitely on a different stream. Yeah, the drool emoji is kind of crazy. Yeah, 4 minutes into the 30-minute close. I want to see what we can do here. If you can close no bottom wick, we could attempt an entry. Otherwise, I think we need to pull back a little bit. Even maybe if we close below, we can look at some sells potentially if it forms correctly. I do think we need to pull back. So let's see, lock it in. You got 4 minutes. Video oil is up crazy stuff. Yeah, this is the pullback we were looking for though. This is good. So we can start to hunt for some positions now. One bad habit I struggled with for a long time was scaling into losing positions for no reason. While this works, sometimes it can demolish the account. Bro, only focus, man. That is the #1 thing that kills trading. It is fucking terrible to, scale into losing positions. It's so bad to do. If you ask, in fact, there was a hedge fund trader. I saw an interview with a very good hedge fund trader trading in the city of London, and he said the one thing you never do is scale into losing positions. Was it this?
You have to have a set of rules that maximizes profit over a large number of trades. What most people try to do is maximize the profit on every single trade. But you can't do that. You can't call pops perfectly. And so I try to come up with a set of rules that says, if I do this 10 times, I'm going to maximize my profit over those 10 trades. Not on each individual trade, but over the long term. And the fifth thing, and something that I've found is really important in a difficult market like we've had in 2011, is scaling into a position, adding to your winners. So many people add to their losers. Stock goes down, they average down. Absolutely the worst thing that you can do. Eventually you will go broke doing that. If you have a good stock, one that's working, one that's using our...
That's the move, chat. That's the move. Scaling into, like, averaging down, it doesn't work in the long term. I worked this out myself. I worked out the numbers. It just doesn't work out. Is that not a pineapple? Yeah, it is, bro. And that's why I don't do them anymore. I haven't taken a pineapple in probably months. You noticed how like my trading changed very suddenly? It's because I figured out that exact thing. My trading changed from being larger stops, averaging into essentially taking pineapples, to now being in a situation where we have small stops. If the trade is literally going towards my stop, so it looks like a negative trade, I just close it. You saw that the other day. We took an 8 pip loss. We closed it. We closed early. We saved ourselves an extra 30 pip. The other day as well, we took like a 7 pip loss, and that would have been a 40 pip loss. We took a 12 pip loss once. Again, that would have been a bigger loss. The only way to do it is realistically to close your trades early. And yes, exactly, Ricky. Wait for a better entry and confirmation, or you can change direction. You're allowed to be wrong. You are allowed to be wrong as a trader. It's okay to be wrong, Like, I will be wrong on trades often, right? Like, it happens. No one's going to call you a shit trader for being wrong every now and then. So, once I got rid of that ego side of trading, where I needed to be, I needed to win on every trade, my trading started getting 10 times better, because I understood that, like that guy just said in the video that we watched, you need to be profitable over a period of time, not just over, the fucking one trade that you're taking right now. And the thing that's going to be most profitable over a period of time is cutting your losers and letting your winners run. And it's just, exactly what you need to do. There's no better way to do it. Drive for foreclosure. Yeah, but it's rejecting again. It's too difficult to trade this right now. Like, it's very difficult. The 30 closure is going to be bearish, but above, by the looks of it. What's good there, Cryptomaniac? I see you're still here lurking. Do you check Discord every day? Yes. Never, Nathan. I do every single day. Look at this projection, chat. Yo, I'm not trying to go on the 1 second. Lucky. Gold needs to make its mind up though, chat. Regardless of whether we're getting a position here or not, it needs to make its mind up on which way it wants to go. I think we're gonna see a push. Yo, yeah, I think we're gonna see a push. Never mind. I was about to say I think we're gonna see a strong push down, but bro, there's a lot of volume right now, like a lot of volume. Suddenly we just had a big volume spike. Not sure why. But with that 30-minute close, that is what we like to call in the business chalked. Absolutely chalked. Yeah, chat, look. Can't take the sells either, to be honest. We're so bullish today. I can't take sells here. You have to think about it market structure-wise. Like, we are essentially just pushing up like this. Okay, this could now be your low, but even if you wanted to catch sells, the most you're going to catch is down to this move here before we eventually push back up. So I would rather be waiting for this area here to catch the buys than trying to get the sells down. It's possible, but it's very aggressive. Chat, I'm going to call it here for today. I'll be back for the New York session stream in the private group. So if you do want to join that and join me for a New York session every single day, then you can join the group right there. You also get all my signals and you get my course as well. So very, very good value for money. Obviously completely optional. We do still have the free streams here. But yeah, we're going to play GeoGuessr right now. We'll play one game and then I'm going to call it for the session because I don't like this at all, to be honest. Yeah, and also before you dip off, if you are going to dip off, make sure you subscribe and drop a like as well. We're trying to hit that 6K by the end of the week. I think it's possible, but again, needs to be done. We need essentially the most engagement as possible so that you guys can help us out. Or so that we can help each other out, sorry, is what I meant. Join up. Join up, join up, join up, join up. I wonder what that said. Alright, chat. 10 seconds. I'm gonna start the game. Alright, 3, 2, W's. Alright, you lot getting smoked though this time. It loads for me. Yo. Jesus. Yeah, I'm cooked. It's not even... Yo. Alright, I've seen about 2 seconds of this map. I literally saw about 2 seconds. I've got no clue where this is, but I'm going to guess like here. I saw one house. Alright, I saw one house. That's it. Yo. I'm elite. I'm actually elite. Yo, Gondi, Matt, my bad. My bad, bro. No messing about. Where is that? I don't know where that city is. Dhaka? Somewhere here? Yo! Chat, I was right on it. That's so cooked. That is so cooked. I actually didn't even know where it was as well. I would love to take credit for that one, but I actually didn't know where it was. Sorry, what? What does that say? Dino what? Dinosaurio Mall. I feel like this has got to be like Where are those? Yeah, I feel like it's somewhere like this, or even maybe. Oh, okay, South America. I thought it was like I thought it was what are they, like the Canary Islands or some shit. Yeah, cats is hot on my tails. Bro, this guy's got cocaine in there 100%. Bondi definitely knows exactly where it is as well. Bro, I was gonna guess Mexico, but someone said Thailand, and I thought it might be Thailand. Fuck. Chat. Might have choked it. Now third. I could cheat this so easy as well and just end the round. Actually my fault for taking what you said into Solana. One guess here. Oh, come on, come on. Yes! Fucking, I actually knew it was gonna be Stockholm as well, but I wanted to hedge my bets. Alright, chat, wait, we'll play one more, Is that a bottom wick? Yo, look at this. No 5 top wick. Oh, okay. My bad. Insane. Yeah, dead. I can't take any of that. Yeah, one more. That's why I can't take cells either. Yeah, exactly. One more game. Yeah, peace, Kata. Not bad for Matt and Gondi, so now I'm gonna get Gondi smoking us all. Join up. You guys are not even in here. Wait, are you in? Matt's in. Okay, there's Gondi. Alright, cool. Right. Chat, starting in 3 seconds. 3, 2. Alright, cool. Change your afro for the win. Always. Oh, chat, this is not no good. Can I get there in time? That's the question. Maybe not. Bro, I have zero idea where this is. Oh my days, bro. That's cooked. That was literally a random click. Where is this? Slovenia. Yeah, that makes sense. I was thinking it was somewhere out there. That's the luckiest click. Is that a... No. Wait. Oh. I don't know where this is. I got no clue. I was trying to find... Fuck. I was trying to find what the name on that lorry was. I was actually locked in there. Who's Windy Town? Dynamic sport place. Look, it's got to be somewhere up here now. Bro, no way that was Bulgarian. Yeah, it makes sense. Balkan 100%. Bro, no, it's got the Balkan sensor. I know where this is. Yeah, Gondi's been to Dynamic Sports Place. I think I know where this is. Bro. Isle of Man. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a good ass guess. This is a tight game. Gondi taking the lead though, as expected. Gondi was definitely the favourite coming into this match. This is beautiful wherever it is. Yo, wait, what? Okay. Could be anywhere. It literally could be anywhere. I've got no clue. Finland. Alright, Ray's in a bit, G. Chat. Gondi takes the smoke on this one. I shouldn't have played a second game. I should have held my chance as a winner. I'm not a Brit. Oh, that's you noodle hots. GG's. Alright, chat. This guy's too cooked. Listen, chat. Great stream today. I appreciate it all very, very much. Look, have a great rest of the day. Good, Julian. Catch you all later in the private call if you're in there. Otherwise, I'll catch you tomorrow on London session. Have a great rest of your day, chat. If you are trading, trade responsibly. Make sure you join the Discord, like, subscribe, all that good shit. And have a great rest of your day. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye. Peace.